you bother me when you know you don't want me? Why you bother me when you know you got a woman? Why you hitting me when you know you grew better than you do? It's you, baby, it's you, baby, it's you, baby, it's you. And if it feels right, promise I don't mind. Oh my god, can you hear the music downstairs? Oh, we've got a hot tub for the weekend from Hot Tubs to Rent on Instagram, and my mum and dad are currently in it. And my dad's put on like full on like techno music in the kitchen, like with the doors open, so sorry about that. We are back with the quickfire assumptions once again. Again, it is going to be my mum answering or like asking me the assumptions, and we're going to do it the same setup, like 10 minutes or so, answering everything that my mum asked me. As I said, she's currently outside. She's going to come off in a second and help me out, so I thought I would do the intro now. But yeah, I am excited. A little bit scared maybe. To be honest, the last one wasn't that bad, and I feel like the questions or the assumptions this time probably aren't too bad either. So hopefully I give you guys your like tea needs. Mom? Oh, you here? I feel like the lighting is going to change constantly filming this.
Hannah, you are obsessed with the lighting, you're obsessed with the weather. You talk about if it's sunny, if it's raining, if it's dark, if it's light.
Fucking hell. Oh my god. No, it's just because like it changes the camera. You know what I'm trying to say.
You were so a weather girl in a previous life, I'm telling you.
Right, are you ready? Because this has just turned into you attacking me. Trying to say hello.
I've got my Oreos.
You got your Oreos. Mum's made a brew. She's got a packet of Oreos. She's highlighted the questions she's asking.
Oh, it was hard. It's hard doing this.
Okay,
it's
trying to
really
say hello.
Hello.
What is it with you? And this like nervous giggle that you do. Do you remember when we filmed the Mother's Day video?
Oh, I've not
and
got
you just like couldn't stop laughing. Okay, Mum's highlighted questions that she's gonna ask. I'm gonna set the timer for 10 minutes.
We're gonna keep it to 10 minutes, Han. Okay, let's get this done.
Right? Okay.
Oh gosh, what if they make me cry? I'll try not to cry. Okay.
Just don't cry.
Okay, I'll try not to. You ready?
Okay.
Steady. Right, go. Okay. Moving in with your boyfriend for lockdown ended your relationship. No.
Gosh, we're like straight in there. I don't think it wasn't the cause of it, but I think lockdown definitely highlighted issues that were already there. So it maybe like sped up the process of something that would have happened already, like in the long run, but it wasn't like the factor. So don't you give me that look because you'll start crying.
I know, I'm sad.
We're still friends and yeah, it's all fine.
Okay. You want to move out again now because Rach and Mads have.
Do you know what? Like, I do feel a little bit like outside now. I feel like because obviously I was living in town with my boyfriend at the time, and now I've just moved back home, and now everyone's like living in town bar like Millie, who lives around the corner from me. I feel like I am a little bit outside, but I am really enjoying living at home, and I'm definitely not in a rush to like move out or like rent again. I did that many years ago, so yeah.
And you see them all the time anyway.
Yeah, exactly. They're only 10 minutes down the road, so.
You regret getting filler?
No, I wouldn't say so.
Okay. You and Mads broke up with your exes to have a hot girl summer with Rach BCF it. BCF it. I couldn't say
you couldn't say the F. Okay, that's fine.
Okay.
No, it said BC. That's because.
Oh yeah, of course.
No, that's not the case. I mean, things just happen when they happen, and it's definitely not because we all wanted to be single together. So, yeah.
You get attention from both boys and girls.
Definitely don't get attention from girls. And I don't really get attention from guys either, I don't think. So
just the cat, really.
Just the cat. That's the only living being I get any attention from. So and my mum. Great, that makes it so much better. My mum and my cat. Like, fine.
You can be a crazy cat lady.
I will be, I can tell.
Okay. You've dated
ice cream man, sorry.
Okay. You've dated a professional footballer.
No, that's not true.
Okay. You find it hard to open up to people.
Yeah, I would say so.
Okay. Hannah, you smoke.
I don't smoke. I'll have like the occasional cigarette if I've been drinking, I'd say. But I don't smoke.
No. Good.
No, the answer is no. The answer is no.
Well, because it says here, you and your mum have an amazing relationship and you can tell her anything, so you would tell me, wouldn't you?
I would tell you,
would tell
yeah,
me.
and that's true. I feel like me and mum do have a very good relationship.
Oh.
And I tell my mum everything. My mum's my best friend.
Oh.
I have the best mum ever.
See, I
so.
told you I was going to cry.
But yeah.
You worry about your career after YouTube?
Yeah, I would probably say so. I feel like just because I don't know what I'll be doing yet, like I don't really have a plan, and I'm the sort of person where I really like to have a plan for stuff, as silly as it is, because you can never really like fully plan life. But yeah, I guess it worries me a little bit. Worries me now more than it used to. So.
Okay, you got with a famous Love Islander. What's that face for?
This was actually answered in the video that we filmed, the three of us, but I mean, yeah.
Oh, I still need to watch that.
In the words of Rachel, who hasn't?
Okay. You were a mean girl in school.
No, I don't think so.
No.
I don't think I was mean. I don't think I was mean to anyone.
There's videos that you've regretted uploading.
I can't think of any. Maybe.
Okay.
No, I don't think I can think of any.
You move quickly on from relationships.
No, I wouldn't say so. And I'm definitely not in a rush to like move on from my most recent relationship like anytime soon. So yeah.
You want to move into the same building as Holly and Mads.
Do you know what? They honestly, the building that Holly and Mads are living in is beautiful. Like their flats are beautiful. But as I've just said, I'm definitely like not in a rush to move out anytime soon. But yeah, they do have very gorgeous flats.
You're picky with friends.
I don't think I'm picky. I mean, I don't have tons of friends. I feel like I have a really nice amount of friends. But no, I wouldn't say I'm picky.
You enjoy good gossip.
I mean,
Who doesn't?
who doesn't? But also like my life's pretty boring, so I never really have anything to gossip about. But yeah.
You earn £10,000 a month.
No. I mean, that would be nice.
Yeah, I could charge.
Maybe I have like once or twice in my whole life, but no.
You're happier now you're single.
Ooh, I don't know. I mean, I feel like it definitely happened for the right reasons, and I'm probably feeling happier because we're still really good friends. So I do still speak to my ex-boyfriend like every day, and I saw him like earlier in the week and stuff. Like we're still really good friends. So in that sense, I am, but I guess I'm still like processing the fact that we're no longer together, if that makes sense.
Okay.
She's giving me that look.
Yeah, you're going to continue. You're not going to continue veganism at home now because you don't have someone to cook it for you, basically.
That's funny. Do you know what? I actually do cook, and I am
You're
a pretty
a good
good
cook.
cook. Like, obviously, my ex-boyfriend is amazing at cooking. Like, that's what he does, and he loves cooking, so he was always the one to cook. And if anything, like, we both kind of strayed from being vegan. I feel like we were strict when we were together about it.
It's still veggie.
Yeah, still veggie. I haven't had any meats. I've had fish and dairy, but I still intend to like eat as vegan as possible. So yeah.
Your YouTube content is better now that you are single.
I mean, you tell me. I don't know. I mean, I feel like I'm definitely posting more, probably because I'm trying to stay really busy, but also because I'm really enjoying filming at the minute. But I feel like I still posted good videos when I was living with my ex-boyfriend, so yeah.
Your dad doesn't approve of your YouTube career.
That is definitely not true. Like, out of everyone in this house, I feel like Dad is like my number one fan. Like, he will sit and watch my videos, or he'll put them on in the background. Like, I can always just hear my voice somewhere in the house because it's Dad. So yeah, we need to film like all four of us soon. That would be fun.
God, can you imagine?
Yeah, it'd be funny.
You earn more than your parents, Hannah.
I doubt it. I don't think
I
so.
think you probably do at the minute.
I mean, who knows? Some months maybe, other months no.
You're going to bring out your own brand.
I like to think I will one day, but it's not necessarily something that's like in the works at the minute. So yeah. How much time have we got left? Got 3 minutes left.
Okay, you've fallen out with Jordan.
That is not true, and I don't know why, but I feel like I've seen a lot more like questions about that recently. obviously, like, I spend a lot of time with Mads and Rach because we all live in Manchester, but Jordan lives, like, way down south. So, obviously don't get to see her as much as I would like to. Like, I wish I could see her more, but we do still talk and we are still friends and things. So,
She'll have to come and stay soon.
I know. I mean, I was hoping she'd be able to come up for my birthday, but I think she is quite busy. So, but yeah, anyway, like, we are friends, anyway. So, yeah.
You're online dating?
No. I have like previously, like I did many years ago. But no, as I said, I'm not in a rush to like meet anyone at the minute.
You've been approached by Love Island.
Yes, that is true. I can't remember when actually, maybe for winter and also for summer last year. But I declined, so yeah.
You have lots of insecurities.
Yes, I do, unfortunately.
You wouldn't film with a subscriber.
That's not true. I've filmed with subscribers before, and I film obviously like the Christmas party when we do the Christmas party, which I really hope we can do again at some point. Yeah. But yeah, that's not true.
You are very confident when it comes to guys and flirting.
What's that look for?
I don't know.
Do you know what? Probably not. Like, I'm never really in situations where I am like flirting with someone or speaking to someone. Like, I don't know, that just doesn't happen very often anyway. So, I mean, like, yes and no. I don't know.
You are a relationship kind of girl.
It would seem that way. I feel like it would seem that way, but I'm like happy either way. I don't feel like I need to be in a relationship to be happy. So, yeah.
You're good at saving money.
Why are you laughing? I mean, I try. Maybe not the best, but I do try.
Yeah,
so
yeah, you're okay.
Thanks.
You prefer high-end makeup to drugstore?
No, that's not true. I mean, there's drugstore brands that I like equally as much as I do higher end brands. So yeah, that's not true.
You're quite shy.
Yeah, I would say I'm quite shy.
If you weren't an influencer, you'd happily not post and be offline.
Yeah, I'd probably be a lot more like less active on social media.
Okay. You care a lot for having designer items.
I do treat myself every now and then. Like, I have a couple of like my Louis bags and like a couple of nice pairs of heels, but I'm not really like super bothered by it. So.
Okay. You don't like Instagram?
Oh, that's the last one. Stop the timer. Do you know what? Instagram is probably like the platform that I have like a love-hate relationship with. Like, I love YouTube and I love like Twitter, but I just find Instagram so much pressure sometimes, and I feel like recently like I've just not been posting because I've just like fully given up.
You're always looking for that perfect picture and you look perfect all the time.
Thank you. Thanks, Mom. Were you my mom? You're gonna say that?
No, it's true.
Yeah, I don't know. Do you know what? I feel like the pressure with Instagram, I think. But I don't mind it. I think it's like still fun. I just go through phases where I like where I'm more active on it. So yeah, that was the last question.
Back to the Oreos.
That was fun. I feel like there was a good range of questions there.
Are you sure?
Yeah, what do you think?
Enough? I don't know. There's still loads on here, but
I mean, we can always do a part 3. We could be here all day. We can always do another one.
Another one?
Me and Mum clearly just have so much fun filming these.
I tell you what, get your dad to ask you next time. Seriously.
I think I'd rather die.
Why?
Because like half of them are like sexual things. Okay, anyway, I'm gonna get going. I hope you guys enjoyed that. If you want us to do a part 3, let me know. I maybe won't like drag Mum through the pain of doing it with me again, but I'll find someone.
Oh, Charlie.
Charlie could definitely do it with me.
Yeah.
I feel like that would be quite funny. But yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed. Thank you to my beautiful mum for helping me, and you guys for watching. And yeah, I will see you in the next one. Bye.